Oh, it's no good. How can I compose when I'm being watched? Moomin troll? No. Well, it's not ready yet. And neither am I. To come back yet, I mean. A new tune's a serious thing, especially if it has to be jolly and sad at the same time. You're a splendid Moomin, but I can't think of you now. I'm sorry, Moomin troll. Tonight, I have to be alone with my tune. No. Huh? Shoo! Be off with you. Oh. Huh? What now? I can't just... You wouldn't understand. Okay. So what's your name then? Well, you can't ever be really free if you admire somebody too much. Believe me, I know. I'll go to moominvalley when it suits me. Or perhaps I won't go at all. Ow! Huh? Get out! I just want to be left alone. Goodbye. Wait. That name you asked for. What about Titi Woo? A light beginning, but with a little sadness to round it off. Titi Woo, get it? Listen, perhaps I could play Titi Woo? Oh. I see. Titi Woo! Titi Woo! Titi Woo! Oh. The new moon. I usually wish for a new tune, but... 1, 2, 3. I wish to find Titi Woo. Titi Woo! I feel so alone. I must be ill. Time to go. Moomin troll? Moomin troll? Moomin troll, I'm back! Hey, Moomin troll! Moomin troll, it's me, Snufkin! Titi Woo? No!
Morning, Snufkin.
Thanks. Oh. Have you been to Moominvalley at all recently? Yes, I see. Oh. I think it's time for me to go to Moominvalley to see Moomin Troll. As a matter of fact, I really want to see him. Huh? Oh. A tune before I go? Of course. You need a little time to yourself. Now then, about this spring tune. Something new. 1 part expectation, 2 parts spring sadness, and for the rest, just the great delight of walking alone and liking it. Not bad. But can you do this? You learn fast. Moomin Troll? Oh. How's your winter? Much the same. You don't mean salamanders, lizards, or crocodiles? No. No, never. They're extinct.
Oh, yes.
Impossible.
But
In your room, you say. Is that to keep it safe or to keep everyone else safe?
let's keep everyone...
I think he's invisible. There it is. Flying, fire-breathing, fighting knights. All in a day's work for dragons.
Oh,
Try not to hurt him. I was talking to the dragon. Dragons aren't interested in table scraps. Hunting for itself in the great outdoors. That's what it desires. You can take the beast out of the wild. But you can't take the wild out of the beast. Shoo! Shoo! Go away. Oh, just remembered. It's minnow season. Thanks for tea. Yes, you might be very handsome, but that doesn't mean I want you around all the time. Don't you see there's Moomin Troll to think of? What am I going to do with you? Flies, mainly, and fish. It's a decent little hunter. Oh, no, this is the non-biting kind.
What?
No, but remember, just because I'm giving him to you doesn't mean he's yours. Dragons will be dragons. Bon voyage! Go with the flow. Moomin Troll. Who?
You're...
Haven't seen a dragon since I left your house. No. Dragons, they do as they like. If they see a fat fly somewhere, they forget everything else. That's dragons for you. Not very loyal. Water's awful high for the time of year. Think we could be in for a flood. How's that?
Dad.
What? Oh, very good. Very
I
good.
had you there, didn't I? Oh, that was a good one.
Further down. Yonder. Well, it's higher ground. That's the answer. Yep. And no need to clean your windows for a while. Moomin Troll, hop down. I want to show you something. What do you make of that? Did it shrink in the flood? Some sort of sign, do you think? It's not so much a place. It's more of a feeling, I'd say.
Oh, yeah.
Bravo! Bravo! It's getting much better. You could always chop it off, but I think they would be disappointed. There's no accounting for taste. Huh. I always did like a happy ending. Oh. Fly, little ones, fly! The forest belongs to us all. Private park? Keep out. No admittance for unauthorized persons? Do not enter without permission? Whose permission? Don't be afraid. Well, you're a surprise. Only coffee and peace. But I suppose a little one like you needs milk. The main thing in life is to know your own mind. Oh, I had to get away for a while. I was starting to feel enclosed. It's not that I don't like people, I just feel caged in sometimes. Every now and again, just for a while, I need my space. I will go back. But first, I need to settle an account with a villain. Small. I'm not sure yet. All I know is a few tools would be useful. Where did you get those? Hattie Fatteners. Well found, little Mimbo. These will be perfect. You know it. There's only one person who should be locked up in a Humulan jail, and that's him. Time to give him a scare. With these Hattie Fattener seeds. Don't worry, they only grow into Hattie Fatteners if they're sown on Midsummer Eve, which just happens to be tonight. We have to make sure the seeds are sparsely sown, so the Hattie Fatteners won't get their Ponsentiger when they come up. There. That's it. Now the fun begins. Look at that one. In a little while, it will have its eyes over the earth. And look, that one already has paws. Soon, they'll take their first steps.
I can smell sulfur.
That's the Hattie Fatteners. They're especially electric when new grown. Look at him. He's shining like a full moon. And that's that. Now to liberate the land. There. Now to find a match. Woodies. No. Go home, little ones. Shoo! Run along to Mama now. I'm not used to children. I don't even know if I like them. Shoo! Away with you.
Go out walking. Free spirit, baby.
There you go. Now you can eat yourself square and round again on beans. Well, what about it, little beasts? Who wants to go back to the sandbox? Well, someone's been burning the signs from the park. I should like to shake their paw.
You probably...
Moomin Troll.
And his mole.
And Snork Maiden?
Yep.
And I felt like a prisoner here. Now there's no time to waste. I have to rescue them. Right now. Moomin Troll? Well, they're innocent. Snufkin. And I'm here because I've come to pay the penalty for taking my revenge on the park keeper. Yes, although you should thank me for that. You'll be able to save a fortune on electricity bills. I suppose it's all I deserve. They're in safe hands now. But I think I'll miss having all my little children. I almost started to enjoy their responsibility. Oh, I wouldn't worry about her. Little Mai can take care of herself. Excuse me. Need some help? What were you two hiding from? They don't exist. I made those footprints. Huh? From these big old shoes I found. To see what life is like in someone else's shoes.
And what's it like?
Uncomfortable. Good night. Is something on your mind? Really?
Yes.
Come on, then. Try to keep up. There are no monsters in Moominvalley. The only thing you really need to fear is fear itself. That and the Groke.
Never.
The Groke is a mysterious, silent gray shadow who haunts the wilds, bringing icy cold with her wherever she goes. Her very presence could freeze your heart solid. You certainly don't want to meet her on a dark night. Like tonight.
Why is she so awful?
Maybe she isn't really. Perhaps she just reflects our own fears. She's a misunderstood creature, all right.
I don't understand.
Exactly. Sleep well. What is it? Quick! Inside. The lantern. Turn it off. And keep quiet. Shh. We were fortunate, that's all. I just hope no one else is sitting outside by a campfire tonight. The beach. Yeah, definitely the beach. We'll help you. Fine. You stay here. On your own. Bend your knees. Lean forward. That's the way. Jump! Watch out!
Whee!
Oh no! And we can. With this.
What?
Come on, you two. Quickly. This is getting painful, Sniff. Wonders will never cease. Here, take this. A little too well, I would say. Come on, perhaps if we run.
But I think I know what to do. Give me your lantern.
Are you sure? The Groke is a mysterious, silent gray shadow. Perhaps she just reflects our own fears. Nice work. I'm not sure. Light is a very tricky thing to catch.
Go.
I told you, Sniff. There are no monsters in Moominvalley. Moomin Troll. Sleep well this winter and keep your pecker up. First warm spring day and you'll have me here again. Don't start building the dam without me. Cheerio, Snufkin.